Hey Hi chatbots have become more than just fancy tools that are essential for any business or creator who wants to save time, scale fast, and connect better with users. These smart virtual assistants simulate real human conversations using natural language processing and machine learning, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks like customer service, sales, and even content generation. Whether it's attending to customers' inquiries on your website or making personalized recommendations, Hey Hi chatbots work 24/7 to handle it all, keeping your audience engaged while freeing up your time. Equipped with powerful features like large language models, modern chatbots can detect tone, context, and intent, offering you smarter and more human-like interactions every time. These tools keep learning from every conversation, which means your chatbot actually gets better over time. It becomes more accurate, more helpful, and more in sync with your users' needs. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 Hey Hi chatbots that you can use for customer support, showing you exactly how these tools work, what to look out for, and how they can be tailored to your specific goals. We will also provide you with the best, most trusted, and most affordable alternative platform where you can get the best Hey Hi chatbot developers and experts who will help you build powerful chatbots with deep learning models if you decide not to go about it yourself at all. So, stick around until the end of the video to determine the best Hey Hi tool to help level up your brand. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these Hey Hi chatbots for free. Now, let's dive in as we share with you the top 5 best Hey Hi chatbots currently available on the market right now. Number 5. CustomGPT. Best for building a fully branded and company-specific Hey Hi chatbot. If you're looking for an Hey Hi chatbot that truly understands your business, brand, and customers, CustomGPT is the best Hey Hi chatbot software for companies requiring a deeply customized Hey Hi assistant. Unlike generic chatbots, CustomGPT is trained specifically on your company's data, tone, and industry knowledge, ensuring that your Hey Hi assistant speaks and responds just like your human team would. Whether you're in e-commerce, software, finance, or customer support, CustomGPT's chatbot helps you automate inquiries, provide accurate responses, and enhance customer engagement, all while keeping your brand tone intact. For instance, if you run a tech support company, your CustomGPT chatbot can be trained on troubleshooting guides and technical manuals, ensuring that customers receive precise and relevant answers, thereby reducing the number of support tickets and improving response times. If you're a marketing agency, you can train the chatbot on your brand's tone and style guide, making it an extension of your team that handles customer queries, lead generation, and even social media interactions. Plus, CustomGPT seamlessly integrates with CRMs, help desks, and knowledge bases. For pricing, the CustomGPT standard plan is great for small businesses needing a simple branded chatbot trained on the company's knowledge base and frequently asked questions. The premium plan enhances the Hey Hi's capabilities with better NLP models, Hey Hi access, and custom integrations. Whether you're looking to improve customer engagement, automate support, or create a conversational Hey Hi experience unique to your business, CustomGPT is the ultimate solution for branded, intelligent, and scalable Hey Hi chatbots. Number 4. Stack Hey Hi. Best no-code chatbot builder with seamless Hey Hi and app integrations. In case you need a powerful Hey Hi chatbot for your website that doesn't require you to write a single line of code, Stack Hey Hi's drag-and-drop builder makes it the best Hey Hi chatbot software for non-technical teams who want an easy-to-build Hey Hi assistant that integrates effortlessly with third-party tools. Specifically designed for non-tech-savvy entrepreneurs, Stack Hey Hi offers a no-code chatbot builder, allowing you to design, train, and deploy Hey Hi chatbots in minutes. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a customer support team, or a service-based business, Stack Hey Hi lets you customize and personalize customer interactions, automate workflows, and connect seamlessly with your existing apps, all without writing a single line of code. Imagine you're a sales team looking to convert leads automatically. Stack Hey helps you handle initial customer inquiries and pass warm leads to your sales reps. For anyone in customer support, Stack Hey instantly pulls customer data and provides smart, automated responses. Even if you run an online coaching business, you can use Stack Hey to manage schedules, send automated reminders, and respond to frequently asked questions, all within your preferred communication tools. When it comes to pricing, the Stack Hey free plan provides basic chatbot features and community support on Discord. The starter plan is great for small teams that want a simple, customizable chatbot with core integrations, while the team plan unlocks advanced Hey capabilities, multi-platform integrations, and analytics. Whether you're looking to boost efficiency, automate conversations, or enhance customer engagement, Stack Hey is the ultimate no-code chatbot builder for businesses that need smart Hey without the complexity of building from scratch. Number 3. Cody Hey. Best for internal team support, documentation, and workflow automation. For enterprises, HR departments, and IT service desks that need to handle employee inquiries, process automation, and internal documentation retrieval, Cody Hey's extensive knowledge base makes it stands out as the best Hey chatbot for automating business processes and internal team support. Specifically designed for internal use, Cody Hey acts as a smart Hey-powered assistant to help your employees find answers, resolve issues, and streamline HR workflows, all without overloading your human support staff. Whether you need an Hey-powered help desk, an HR knowledge assistant, or a virtual IT support agent, Cody Hey delivers quick, accurate, and automated responses that save time and improve operational efficiency. Imagine running an HR department where employees frequently ask about the company's policies, benefits, and payroll schedules. Instead of having HR reps respond manually, Cody Hey can instantly retrieve the correct policies and deliver accurate answers. If you're in IT support, Cody Hey can help you troubleshoot common technical issues, provide step-by-step solutions, and escalate tickets to human agents only when necessary. For pricing, the Cody Hey basic plan is perfect for small teams looking to automate basic interactions and document retrieval. The Pro plan expands capabilities with advanced Hey training, workflow automation, and integrations with HR and IT management tools. For large enterprises, the Enterprise plan provides custom Hey models, Hey access, and enterprise-grade security, ensuring your Hey assistant is fully optimized for large-scale operations. Number 2. Chatbase. Best for building chatbots trained on custom business data sources and brand-specific responses. If you're running a software platform or an educational institution, and you need a chatbot that provides accurate, brand-specific responses, Chatbase allows you to train your chatbot on your own data and internal knowledge base. Instead of relying on generic Hey responses, Chatbase ensures your chatbot understands your business, products, and policies, making it the perfect solution for automating customer support, answering frequently asked questions, and handling knowledge-based inquiries. Whether you need a help desk chatbot, an Hey-powered student assistant, or a knowledge retrieval tool for employees, Chatbase gives you complete control over the data your chatbot learns from. All you need to do is simply upload your documents, connect your knowledge base, and your Hey assistant will be trained to deliver highly accurate, context-aware responses. For tech companies, this means your chatbot will be able to assist users with onboarding, troubleshooting, and any product-related data you trained it on. Educational institutions can also use Chatbase to help students access course materials, academic policies, and administrative information 24/7. Even large enterprises can benefit by deploying Chatbase as an internal Hey assistant that helps employees quickly retrieve company policies, HR guidelines, and IT solutions without waiting for human support. In the area of pricing, the Chatbase completely free plan is great if you're looking to train your chatbot on a small data set for simple support inquiries. The paid plan expands capabilities with larger training data sets, multi-source integration, advanced Hey features, Hey access, and enterprise-grade security. Number 1. Chatsonic. Overall best hey-hi chatbot for real-time responses with live web access. Chatsonic takes the crown as the overall hey-hi chatbot due to its ability to go beyond pre-trained data and static responses, resulting in an intelligent, interactive, and dynamically trained chatbot with 100% human knowledge and capability. Unlike traditional hey-hi chatbots, Chatsonic fetches live data from the web, understands voice commands, and generates real-time responses, making it perfect for e-commerce stores, news and media platforms, and customer service businesses. Whether you need a chatbot that provides up-to-date product information, fetches breaking news, or handles customer inquiries with real-time accuracy, Chatsonic delivers fact-based, dynamic conversations that feel natural and interactive. This makes it ideal for businesses that rely on constantly changing information such as stock prices, news updates, or real-time inventory tracking. If you're in e-commerce, you can integrate Chatsonic to provide instant product recommendations, check livestock availability, and even assist customers with personalized shopping suggestions. News and media platforms can use Chatsonic to deliver real-time news updates, summarize trending stories, and engage users in interactive discussions based on live data. Customer service businesses benefit from Chatsonic's ability to handle dynamic queries, troubleshoot issues with up-to-date knowledge, and even process voice-based commands. Chatsonic offers flexible pricing plans to fit different business needs. No matter the plan you choose, Chatsonic adapts to the latest trends, provides real-time interactions, and enhances user engagement with fact-based responses, making it the ultimate hey-hi-powered chatbot for all businesses that rely on fact-checked live data. In addition, if you're just starting your journey into digital business or online customer service and feel completely out of your depth with hey-hi chatbot software, Fiverr Pro is the most beginner-friendly marketplace to get professional help. Rather than trying to navigate complex tools, you can outsource the entire setup to highly skilled freelancers who are experts in building intelligent, hey-hi chatbots and automated support systems. These professionals can handle both essential and complex chatbot functions, such as conversation flow design, natural language processing setup, integration with CRMs or help desk platforms, multilingual support, lead qualification, workflow automation, customer journey mapping, and even analytics tracking to monitor performance. Fiverr Pro also ensures that every freelancer you see has been thoroughly vetted, meaning you're getting proven expertise and not just taking a chance on someone new to the field. In conclusion, when choosing the best hey-hi chatbot for your brand or business, it all comes down to finding the right mix of natural language processing, machine learning, large language models, and integration features that suit your specific needs. Whether you want a fully branded assistant like CustomGPT, a no-code builder like Stack-hey-hi, or a real-time data responder like Chatsonic, the perfect chatbot can help you automate tasks, boost engagement, and scale your services effortlessly. If building one sounds overwhelming, Fiverr Pro offers expert help to get you started without the stress. So, take your time, explore your options, and let hey-hi do the heavy lifting while you focus on what truly matters, which is growing your brand. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these hey-hi chatbots for free. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.